Today, we're building this clean vector high-rise from basic shapes. Make sure to watch until the very end because the final touches completely make the design. We're diving straight in with the rectangle tool to build our main structure. And here's a pro tip. By simply duplicating your shapes and darkening the color tones, you can instantly create realistic depth and shadow effects. You can make this building as tall as you want, but I've kept it to a standard high-rise layout for this tutorial to show you how incredibly easy it is to achieve a premium look using just a few simple blocks and the right color palette. Once the core structure is set and colored, we'll design just one perfect window, group it, and duplicate it across the facade to bring the whole vector to life. I've included all the keyboard shortcuts directly on screen to help you follow along seamlessly. But I want to know, how many floors are you going to add to your own design? Let me know in the comments below. Watch the entire process step by step right here. And if you want to support the channel and unlock exclusive design assets, definitely check out the Patreon link in the description. Here's the absolute fastest way to duplicate your assets. First, select all the individual window details and group them together. Next, with the window selected, if you're on Windows, hold down Shift plus Alt, or Shift plus Option if you're on a Mac. Then click and drag the group to where you want it and release. Now, simply press Ctrl D or Command D and Illustrator will automatically repeat that exact copy as many times as you need across your building. Now that we've duplicated the windows over to the other side, select the window shadows, outer frames, and glass elements individually and switch them to a darker, richer tone to instantly give the building a more solid and professional look. Thank you so much to everyone who watched until the very end. And if you enjoyed it, please hit that like button to show your support. If there's any step that felt a bit confusing, or if you have any questions at all, drop a comment below, because I can't wait to read them and help you out. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on so you don't miss what's coming next, because in my upcoming video, I'll be transforming a character I previously sketched in Photoshop into a polished Illustrator vector, which is going to be an incredibly interesting process. I've linked the original Photoshop creation video right here for you to check out, and the follow-up Illustrator tutorial will be dropping on the channel very soon.